Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Perplexity as your personal AI assistant. So first of all, make sure that you already installed this Perplexity application. Once done, launch it. Now in here, make sure that you are logged into your account and you may go ahead, type in the prompt. If you are using Perplexity for your study, you're going to have to tap on this plus button, and let's say if we have a PDF of that content, you're going to have to simply, upload the file and ask questions about it. The next thing you could do is you could set Perplexity as your default. So for that, head over to your app, tap onto your initial, then tap on settings. Scroll below and tap on this enable assistant. As you do so, tap on digital assistant app. By default, it might be set to Google, but go ahead and set it to Perplexity. Now, as you do that, what you could do instead and else. Now, what else you could do is you're going to have to, select the model. And in case you are using free account, this could be the only model that you could use. But if you have a paid account, you can use any of these. Now, likewise, guys, if you would like to give a voice prompt, tap on this voice here. And you can also get a voice back if you tap on this conversation icon. So guys, these are the ways that you can use Perplexity to its full potential. Thank you for watching.